Guys, listen. If you are still trying to grow your YouTube channel using 2022 or 2023 strategies, you are already 3 years behind. You know why? Because YouTube is a different beast. And if you don't adapt, you will be invisible. But guess what? There is a new way for you to grow. And I've got that 10 strategies that not only break the algorithm, but also build a loyal binge worthy audience. And no, this isn't fluff from someone who just read a blog post or, come across any video. No, this is coming from the actual data, experience, and proven success. So grab a pen, open your mind, and let's unlock YouTube growth in 2025. Now, secret number one is in 2025, the real traffic doesn't come from search. No, it comes from suggested sidebar and home feed. So your goal isn't just to make a good video. Your goal should be centered to make a binge-worthy video that YouTube recommends to people already watching similar content. And how can you really achieve this? Use title twin strategies, mimic trending titles in your niche, but with a unique twist. Also, use 3 video cluster. Make 3 back-to-back videos on a specific problem or theme so that YouTube can suggest your videos. Also, you should use phrases like part 1, part 2, episode 1, episode 2, next chapter, what no one told you, in order to keep your viewers hoping between videos. Okay, then strategy number 2 is the second scroll test. What do I mean by the second scroll test? Which is the hook retention hack. Guys, the first 3 seconds of your video determines if people stay. YouTube is more visual than ever. Now, what works now? You need to start your video with a jump cut teaser of your most dramatic moment. If you're this dramatic person that whenever you set up a camera to start shooting video, you start, saying things that you're not even supposed to say. Those cut and join words. Hi guys, this, that. No. Cut them all off. Go straight to the point. Okay? Then also, during the course of your video editing, add text overlays in the first 2 seconds summarizing your video. Okay? Then also make sure to hook a question in your video. Make sure that you hook a question in it. Questions like, you can even go as far as asking your viewers questions like, maybe, have you ever wondered why your videos get views but no subscribers? Those catchy questions that they will even want to know more. Okay, so this also works. So if your video fails the scroll test, trust me, it dies, and that is the plain and simple truth. Then also strategy number 3 is faceless is equal to low effort. That is, your AI proof your channel. Now, faceless channels are exploding right now. But do you know what? YouTube is cracking down on lazy ones. Now, if you're using AI-generated content, it must pass these 3 checkpoints. Number 1 is it must have a human-like voice. Use emotional pacing, natural pauses, and realistic reflections. Also, use high-effort visual, stock footage, motion graphics, and also subtitles, not static slideshows. That's not it. And you also make sure that your AI video content has a unique scripting. Avoid ChatGPT sounding generic intros. Your script need voice, human voice. It needs character and it also needs emotion. So use stories. YouTube loves narrative structures now. Using your God-given voice and sound. That is that. So strategy number 4 is short, long hybrid strategies. Guys, in these parts, all you need to do is don't just pick between shorts or like, okay, so, oh, I'm going to be posting more of short videos, or I'm going to concentrate on, building my channel with long form videos and, trying to stick to one. No, you are advised to use both strategies. Because in 2025, there is a formula that works now. And it says make sure that in a week you post 3 to 4 short form videos and also 3 to 4 long form videos, depending on your ability and time frame. Okay, you know why? Because short videos per week target viral trends, and it helps also to boost your reach. Then when you talk about long form videos, when you post it every week, long form videos helps to boost your watch time and also subscribers. It gives you more loyal subscribers. Short form videos doesn't give you loyal subscribers. Those people that comes or that subscribe to your channel through short form videos, some of them are not really interested in your long form videos. They just watched and subscribed, and some of them you might not even see them back again in your channel. So that is why it is necessary for you to grow your channel using both of them, so that either ways that works for you. And you know that long form videos helps to boost your watch time and subscribers. So for example, if you know, just go ahead and post both of them. Don't just concentrate on posting one. Okay, now this turns your short audience into long watches, and also mind you that watch time is king in 2025. Now let's go over to strategy number 5, which is your word make use of your community tab. Guys, your community tab is your secret growth weapon. Do you think that community tab is just for posts? If that is your mentality, then you need to think again. You know why? Because in 2025, engagement outside of video is a huge ranking factor recently in YouTube. Now, this is the tips for you to follow. Make sure to post daily. Post things like memes, screenshots, this or that, or post controversial opinion behind the scenes. Go to your community and post them. And don't forget to reply to comments on your community post, because it creates a loop of engagement. And also, it also brings these upcoming videos and do well to also ask them questions. Now, engagement tells YouTube that this creator matters a lot. So don't underestimate the power of each feature here on YouTube. Then let's go over to secret number 6, which is what? 3 times SEO boosts, titles and hook, and also your voice. Now, in 2025, YouTube AI understands content like never before. It listens to your voice, it reads your caption, and tracks audience behavior. So, say your main keyword within the first 15 seconds of your video. Put the keyword in the title, first line of your descriptions, and also tags. That is where video optimization comes in. And also mention it in 2 to 3 times in your script naturally. Now, if you're not good at using ChatGPT, please, you need to start making use of ChatGPT in order for you to help you generate keywords variation. Then also when you generate it, blend them into your script in order to give you that viral video that you might be looking for. Then Secret number 7 is the authority loop, which is a word brand versus viral. Now, going viral is fun, but being known is better. So, to grow long term, you need to build authority content. Make one high value video every week. Give guidelines. Share your personal stories. Interview people in your live stream. Then also give breakdown of points, strategies, and tips. Post 3 viral styles or emotional shorts per week in order to funnel attention into authority videos. And also please use your face or name consistently, because your brand is the algorithm. People don't just follow channel, they follow characters with authority. So strategy number 8 is don't just post, premiere, and chat. No, if you're dropping a new video, make it a virtual event. Schedule it as premiere, join live chats, promote it on social media handles, IG, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, you know, take it, post them maybe 30 minutes before your video drops. You know why? Because this boosts your videos. It helps to connect your videos to a lot of places, and it also helps in your click-through rate because of the timer. It also gives you engagement from all those social media handles, and also it gives you retention. Now, what do I mean by retention? Retention is how long people stay watching your video. Now, always pin a message in your chat. Okay, maybe once you drop a video, go to your chat inbox and maybe say something like, hi, if this is your first time of joining my channel, you are welcome. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, those things. Make sure to pin a comment in your video. Then strategy number 9 is collaborations are back, but smaller is better. Guys, forget trying to collaborate with Mr. Bigs, big content creators, and all of that. Please try and collaborate with people in your level or niche, but do it smartly. Now, how can you do this? Make collaboration shorts where both creators appear in the video. Maybe do a dual channel series, part 1 on your own channel and then part 2 on the person's channel. Then go ahead to interview someone on your live stream, for those of us that loves and do live streams a lot. At the end of your live stream, extract some shots from it and post. Now, why does this method works? It works because YouTube 2025 algorithm links audiences and boosts cross-channel traffic. Then this is the last strategy, which is what storytelling is new watch time hack. Guys, in 2025, storytelling is the most powerful growth tool. And the channel getting the most views today are story-based channel, whether educational, commentary, or faceless. So use the hero story arc, setup. You understand? Maybe share your setup, how you started your channel, share your challenges so far. Have you been experiencing any challenges on YouTube? Share them. Share your transformation on your journey so far. Then also, one of the bonus tips I'm going to give you is do well to always use visual storytelling. Zoom in and zoom out, emoji overlays, movement, reaction shots, B-roll. Guys, all these things helps to evoke your audience emotion. So these are just tactics. And these are the new rules of YouTube in 2025. So most people are stuck. They complain that the algorithm is broken, but you've had it on the book. So what are you going to do with it? Start applying even one of these strategies today and watch what happens. Please go down to the comment section, type which strategy are you going to use first. Don't also forget to like this video, subscribe, share this video with another creator who need this truth bomb, because YouTube isn't dead, it's just evolved. So if you've evolved with it, you've win. But if you have not yet evolved with it, you are losing. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you guys next time.